Hello everyone, this is Jenish Kota here. Welcome to our third video of Basic French. So आज जो हम ये वीडियो में पढ़ने वाले हैं that is how to greet in French. एक दूसरे को hi, hello, how are you कैसे बोलते हैं फ्रेंच में. That is what we will study and how to introduce yourself. अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कैसे करना है फ्रेंच में वो आज हम ये वीडियो में सीखने वाले हैं. अच्छा उसके पहले tell me students, do you know what is France so much famous for? Why is it so hyped? कि France, Paris, why is it so? Yes, you know France is very famous for its cheese. You know it is said that if you eat one type of cheese in a day, it will almost take you an entire year. पूरा साल लग जाएगा to complete all the types of cheese. Yes. France is also very famous for its wine. Every particular region has its own speciality of wine over there. Okay? People drink wine like water over there. France is also famous for its automobile products. France has a lot of museums and monuments, thousands and thousands of museums and monuments, and Paris is the most visited city of the world. They are too obsessed with their culture, with their heritage, and they just love it. Okay? And that is why they want to spread it all over the world. Yeah. So now what we are going to do is going to start with the greetings part. How to greet. कैसे hi, hello, how are you बोलते हैं. And for that we are going to switch on the projector. Yes, so starting with the first thing, bonjour. So every day you wake up early in the morning, things that you have to say is bonjour in French, okay? Bonjour. So what is given in the column number 1 is the English translation. What is given to us in column number 2 is the French word. And third column is just the pronunciation. So for the time being, you can just keep your ears wide open and just forget the third column, okay? Let's concentrate on column number 2 nicely. Bonjour. As in when you repeat, you have to learn the spellings also. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. B-O-N-S-O-I-R. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. So when you go to bed, you have to say bonne nuit. Next. Au revoir. Au revoir is bye and salut. So basically salut can be said anytime when you meet someone. Supposing if you are leaving or if you are meeting him for the first time or when you are meeting someone, okay? So salut is a very informal way to greet someone as hi or bye. Merci. Merci. Merci is thank you. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. S'il te plaît and s'il vous plaît. So we have two words to say please. S'il te plaît. S'il vous plaît. So one is familiar, one is when you are informal, and the other is the formal one. S'il vous plaît. Enchanté. Enchanté. Yeah, glad to meet you. Okay, it's a pleasure meeting you. Comment ça va? So comment ça va is means how are you? And comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? So comment allez-vous is again how are you? So comment what you and comment allez-vous? So when somebody asks me comment ça va, I'll be saying ça va ça va. Ça va ça va. Ça va ça va means I am fine. Okay? Next is comment ça va. So we are going to move forward to how are things. Comment ça va? Like bien. Bien is well, nice. I can also say ça va ça va. So ça va is fine. Merci. Merci is thank you. Très bien. Très bien, very good. So, comment ça va? Très bien. Comment ça va? Très bien. Comment ça va? Bien, merci. Next is pas très bien. Pas très bien is not very fine. Pas très bien या pas trop mal. Pas trop mal, not too bad. इतनी भी बुरी नहीं चल रही जिंदगी. So, pas trop mal. So when somebody can ask you three types of question, comment what you, comment allez-vous, and comment ça va. All three are almost similar. Okay. So what can be your answer? Depends on your mood. Bien, merci. Très bien. Pas très bien. Pas trop mal. Next is à bientôt. À bientôt. See you soon. À bientôt. À demain. À demain. See you tomorrow. À demain. See you tomorrow. And finally, good day. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Have a nice day or good day. Bonne journée. So what do you have to do? You have to learn all these spellings very nicely and the pronunciation part, okay, you have to listen it very carefully. I'll just repeat it one last time. Bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit, au revoir, salut, merci, merci beaucoup, s'il te plaît, s'il vous plaît, enchanté, comment vas-tu, comment allez-vous, comment ça va, bien merci, très bien, pas très bien, pas trop mal, à bientôt, à demain, bonne journée. So this is what we saw, how to greet in French, how to say hi, hello, how are you, good morning, good evening in French, okay? So that was amazing, that was really very nice. All you have to do is keep pronouncing these words day in and out with your family, with your friends, and it will be very simple for you to pronounce it nicely and very fluently, okay? तो आज हम ये पढ़ने वाले अभी how to introduce yourself in French, okay? So the first I'm going to write the name of the topic over here, and I'll be taking a marker for that. I'll be using a blue marker, I hope that is fine. So the name of the topic is moi-même. Moi-même. That means myself. It's a hyphen over here. Myself. So let's start with the first one. Salut. You can write salut over here, or also you can write bonjour. It depends on you, okay? Salut is for informal and bonjour is for formal. Supposing if I meet my professor, I'll be saying bonjour. But if I meet my friend, I'll say salut, okay? Which means hi or good morning. Next is je m'appelle Jainesh. Je m'appelle Jainesh Kothari. So you can write your own name. J. So if I can write, we have studied numbers in the previous class. Supposing for example if I am 26 years old, so J 26 ans. J 26 ans. 26 is 26. So I am 26 years old. Okay? J 26 ans. J'habite à Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. And you can write any city over here, or else you can write any country also over here. Okay, depends on you. So I live in Mumbai in India. Okay. J'adore jouer de la guitare. So I love to play guitar. Or cricket. So I love to play guitar and play cricket. Okay. Je déteste manger les légumes. I hate eating vegetables. Je déteste. I hate eating the vegetables. Je suis Indian. I am Indian. And supposing if a girl is writing, she will say I am Indian. There will be a slight change in the spelling. I am Indian. Je suis Indien. In French, adjective changes according to the noun. लड़का होगा तो अलग adjective आएगा, लड़की होगी तो अलग adjective आएगा. All the adjectives are flexible. वो हम आगे देखेंगे. Next is je suis beau. I am handsome, intelligent, a coquette. So supposing if a girl is writing this, all the adjectives will have some other spelling. Je suis belle. So this is for girl. I am beautiful. Je suis intelligente. There will be an extra E. And je suis coquette. I am stylish. Okay. And finally we'll say merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup is thanks a lot. Thank you very much. So what did we study in this particular myself? Salut, bonjour, je m'appelle Jainesh Kothari. My name is Jainesh Kothari. J'ai 26 ans. J'ai 26 ans. I am 26 years old. J'habite à Mumbai, en Inde. I live in Mumbai, in India. J'aime jouer de la guitare et au cricket. I love to play guitar and cricket. Je déteste manger les légumes. I hate eating vegetables. पसंद ही नहीं मुझे vegetables जरा भी. Je suis Indian. I am Indian. Je suis Indian. If a girl is writing, adjectives will change. Je suis beau, intelligent et coquette. So I am handsome, intelligent and stylish. For a girl, je suis belle, intelligente et coquette. I am beautiful, intelligent and coquette. Okay, so girls are belle. लड़कियां कैसी होती है? Belle होती है. Okay, beautiful I mean to say. Merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot. Merci beaucoup. So to learn this part, salut, bonjour. Je m'appelle Jainesh Kothari. Okay, then what do we have? J'ai 26 ans. J'habite à Mumbai, en Inde. J'aime jouer de la guitare et au cricket. Je déteste manger les légumes. Je suis indien. Je suis beau, coquette et intelligent. Merci beaucoup. Okay? So this is how you can learn. You myself, you can introduce yourself someone in French. Supposing if you plan to go to Europe someday, these are the basic things which you should be knowing, which will help you out in your day-to-day conversation. All the greetings, make sure in France, you know, if you go to a cafe, the cost of the coffee is 7 euros. But supposing if you say them, bonjour, please give me a coffee, you greet them, then the coffee will charge you only 5 euros. And supposing if you say bonjour, I want a coffee, and after giving the money, if you say them, thank you so much, okay, then the money will be still reduced to 4 euros. So France is a country, French, they like to greet each other, they like to say thank you, please, sorry, in each and every particular sentence. They are very polite and they are really very kind-hearted people. Okay? So आज के लिए बस इतना ही. हम आगे देखेंगे next video में few more other topics. Okay? So thank you. शुक्रिया. अलविदा.